In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up your Deriv MT5 account on your phone so you can start trading anytime, anywhere. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to the official website of Deriv, and you may notice that you have the option to download the Deriv app on your mobile device by scanning the QR code. After scanning the QR code, and if Deriv is not available in your country or region, you can use a VPN or proxy. Now all I have to do is register for free, or you can log in using your credentials. Once you have successfully logged into your account, you can start depositing crypto or USD. It's up to you. And before you start trading seriously, remember to use a demo account first. Never risk any money you can't afford to lose, and learn the basic technical analysis before going live. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you set up a Deriv MT5 on your phone. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.